Sang Tai Tai Lay Home. My name is Marcel Antarayao, 37 years old. I am from Delfin Albano, Isabela, Philippines. I am married. I have two sons, ages 9 and 6, and I have one daughter, ages 13. My highest educational attainment is vocational graduate. My hobbies are cooking, singing, and gardening. My expertise are childcare and elderly care. I work as housemaid here in Philippines for 3 years, from May 15, 2020 to May 15, 2023. I have served 4 members of the family, one couple and 2 children, ages 10 and 6 years old. My duties are taking care children, cooking, doing laundry, ironing, marketing, cleaning, and many more. I want to work in Hong Kong because I want to earn and save money for my family and to my children. I am willing to take good care of elderly and newborn baby. I can sing nursery song like Rock up my baby on the treetop. When the wind blows, the cradle will rock. When the bow breaks, the cradle will fall. Down will come baby cradle at fall. Baby is drowsing, cozy and fair. To my future employer, mom and sir, please choose me as your housemaid because I am hardworking, trustworthy, obedient, and dedicated to my work. I promise to be a good housemaid and I promise to prioritize my job and finish my 2 years contract or more. Thank you, mom and sir, and I'm looking forward to work with you as soon as possible.